Hello students, in this video, we will solve a problem involving a right-angled triangle. Let's look at the problem. We have a line AB and a point C. We draw a line from point C perpendicular to line AB. And then we draw the line CB. If angle C is 50 degrees, find angle X. Let's look at the solution. Since the line drawn from C is perpendicular to AB, this angle is equal to 90 degrees. We all know that the sum of the angles of any triangle is 180 degrees. For this triangle, 90 degrees plus 50 degrees plus X equals 180 degrees. 140 degrees plus X equals 180 degrees. X equals 180 degrees minus 140 degrees, X equals 40 degrees.